Hello, welcome to my channel Make Money Digital Marketing. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your copyright credit footer. So without getting any further, let's get started. So I'm gonna show you what is the situation of my blog. You can see here, created with by Om templates, distributed by GoAV templates. So I'm gonna change this template, copyright credit. So go to the theme and click here and go to edit HTML. Press the Ctrl F and Ctrl V, then enter. I'm gonna give you this coding on my description. You have to need 4 times click on enter. 2, 3, 4. Yes, there. You can paste this coding in on here. I'm gonna also give this coding on my description too. So my blog name is BeautyGate. So I'm gonna write BeautyGate here. So I'm gonna rewrite this. I'm gonna write this BeautyGate here. So you can write on your blog site name like XYZ. And then save it. You can see the error on 9350 number, column number 9350. So I'm gonna add this extra coding on here. I'm also give this coding on my description too. So don't worry at all. We found 9350. We can add this coding on here. And then save it. You can see update successfully. So I'm gonna check my blog once again. If we go the downside, you can see we can finally change our footer credit. You can see copyright C 2021 BeautyGate. Thank you so much for watching my video.